Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to reset your PayPin in Binance. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. We have also created a tutorial on how to. Now let's simply look at how to reset our PayPin. Well, do note to go to this interface right here, what you have to do is simply hover over this more button right here and just click on pay. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. And right now we want to change the PayPin. Initially what you guys need to do is simply click on the settings button right here. And as you can see, there is something called as PayPin. And once you hover over it, it's gonna provide you two options. Change PayPin and forgot PayPin. In case you want to change it, click on the first option. But for now, we want to reset it, so I'm simply gonna click on forgot PayPin right here. Now what it's gonna ask me to do is simply enter my new PayPin. I'm gonna enter it right now. And once you've done that, simply give your confirmation. Now it's gonna ask for a few security prompts, an OTP from the Authenticator app and the email address. Simply do both of them right now. I'm gonna do it side by side. As you can see, I have done the Authenticator app one. Now all I'm gonna do is for the email, I'm gonna click it right here. And as you can see, the code has been sent. Now I'm gonna go to Gmail. And guys, this is it. This is the verification code. I'm simply gonna copy it and paste it right here. And guys, that is it. Our security pin has been reset. That's it for the video, guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.